Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So fam, today we're going to be doing some beetroot juice, so stay with me while we do it. So the first thing we're going to do is just to prep our ingredients. I'm going to be using a juicer. You could use a blender if you want. So if you're using a juicer, you could cut it as I'm doing, but if you use a blender, you can make it into smaller pieces. I'm going to be doing the beetroot last because the beetroot always has a tendency of staining places, so we don't want to already soil the area before we start. So the beetroot is going to be the last thing we're going to be doing today. Next, we're going to go on to our cucumbers. Actually taking off that part because it was kind of like funny. Fam, these cucumbers have been in my refrigerator for more than 2 weeks. Like, I've been planning to do this recipe for a very long time, but I've just not had time. It's been a very busy week for me, so just gonna cut our cucumbers like this. Cucumbers actually in this recipe is gonna help us have more juice because cucumbers contain a lot of water. So we're not taking off the skin. You could take off the skin if you want. So for the next thing we're gonna be doing is carrots. I'm gonna be using a fruit peeler. So far for the ginger, you don't need to peel it. If you want to peel it, that's still fine, but I'm not going to be peeling mine, so just going to neatly cut that. The flavor from the lime, oh my god fam, it's so good. I feel like it's healing. Oh wow. So for the lime, yeah, I just cut it into 4. Yep, because we're going to be juicing that also. Adding orange in this recipe just to add a little bit of sweetness to it, and also a very good source of vitamin C. So gently just peel that, and then we're going to be juicing it together. If you want, you could use your orange juice presser to do it, but I don't want to dirty a lot of things today. So I'm just going to cut them into 4 as I've done the others. One thing about juicing that I realized is that, like, there's a lot of different ingredients you could add to your juice just to add it flavor, and also maybe just to increase some of the nutrients that you get from the juice. So make sure to try different things. You could add lemon if you want. You could add celery, that's still going to be fine because all of them have a lot of good benefits. Another thing I like doing right now is peeling my beetroots, because with a knife it feels kind of satisfying. You could use a fruit peeler, that's still fine, but I don't know, I just like doing it with a knife. It has some aesthetic in it. Oh my god. So fam, how you all doing? Hope everything is going great. It's been a while I've not posted. I've just been very busy. I had a lot of videos actually that I've recorded. I was on a weight loss. I was actually doing a 10-day detox. I'm definitely going to be sharing that with you all here. It's really good, like, to cleanse your body in case you want to lose weight. That's a very good method, and like, you could lose up to 15 pounds using the method I use, and I'm going to be doing videos on that, and hopefully it can help somebody. But what if I use the peel in this juice? What's gonna happen? If you know anything about the peels from the beetroot, let me know in the comment section. If you always do your beetroot like that or you have to peel it off. I feel like if you wash it well and probably use it, it's gonna be all right. I don't think the peelings have any problems. So let me know if you use your peels from the beetroot. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you're welcome to Nancy's Cuisine, where I teach you how to cook delicious recipes from scratch. And also, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that every time I post a video, you're going to be the first to know. And also, don't forget I do shout outs to those who are the first to comment, so you want to make it to that list. And for my returning subscribers, oh my god, you know I love you all so much. Thank you for the support, continuous support. Like, sometimes when I don't post a video like this past week, oh my god, I feel so guilty. I feel like I hurt somebody, trust me, because I know you all are looking up to these videos. You're learning how to cook certain recipes and stuff, so I'm always here. Please make sure you drop recipes you want me to do in the comment section. Please drop it. So fam, we've prepped all our ingredients, which was one of the most difficult part. We're gonna go to the juicing, which takes less time than you can imagine. Now that we've extracted all the juice from the fruits, we're going to go ahead and put the fiber in a blender and add about 2 cups of water so we could extract the remaining juice. So far, once you've blended your fiber until it's to a point where you could squeeze out some juice, go ahead and pop that in a strainer and just gently press that until you get all the juice. I didn't use the carrot pulp here because I'm actually going to be using it to do a carrot cake. And there we go fam, you could store your juice for up to a week and drink about a glass every day. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.